One island. 17,000 islands, actually. And somehow, evolution went absolutely wild here. Indonesia sits on what scientists call Wallacea, a biogeographic zone so unique, species on one island never even met the species on the island next door. Millions of years of isolation, millions of years of separate evolution. The result? Indonesia has 515 species of mammals, over 1,500 bird species, and nearly 40% of them exist nowhere else on the planet. Nowhere. Not in Africa, not in the Amazon. Only here. Take the Komodo dragon, the largest lizard alive. It hunts using a combination of venom and bacteria so lethal, a single bite can kill a water buffalo in 24 hours. And it lives on exactly 5 islands. 5. Or the Javan Rhino. Once roamed all across Asia. Now, there are only 76 left. 76 individuals, the entire species, all living in one tiny national park in West Java. And here's where it gets painful. Indonesia, this biological miracle of a country, has lost 74 million hectares of forest since the 1950s. That's roughly the size of 2 Germanys. Gone. Between 2001 and 2023, Indonesia lost 29.4 million hectares of tree cover, ranking it among the top 3 most deforested nations on Earth, according to Global Forest Watch. And a significant portion of that loss? Government-authorized. Palm oil, logging concessions, mining permits. The Indonesian government has issued land use permits covering over 68 million hectares of what was once protected or forested land, areas that were home to species that exist nowhere else. The Sumatran Orangutan. Genetically, 96.9% identical to us. They use tools. They teach their young. They grieve their dead. And right now, their population has dropped 80% in the last 75 years because their forest keeps disappearing. Even the bird of paradise, one of the most spectacular creatures evolution ever produced, is under threat. Their display forests in Papua are being cleared for logging. And when the forest goes, the dance dies too. Evolution took millions of years to build what Indonesia has. Politicians took decades to dismantle it. And these animals, they didn't get a vote. They didn't get a warning. They just woke up one day and the trees were gone. Indonesia is not just a country. It's a biological archive of everything evolution ever attempted on this planet. And right now, it's being deleted, page by page, tree by tree, species by species. Tell me, what does a world look like when the archive is gone? Because we're looking at